Hello everyone, this is Anur back from another video of Lego. Today I'm going to show you the famous assault semi-automatic rifle used by the Russian army during World War II. This is the SVT-40 semi-automatic rifle made out of Lego. So the SVT-40, actually it's had a very funny name to understand, whatever I know very well, but still, this was one of the famous service rifle used by the Russian army during World War II. Russia and America were once a competition to know that this age of semi-automatic rifles has come during World War II. This rifle was made, but its first cousin was the SVA rifle. This was SVA 39. It was made and firstly used before the 1939 Finnish Winter War. And similar to the the AK-47 has a gas pipe on top of the firing barrel. It also has the same thing right here. When the shot is fired from, when a bullet is fired from here, it goes and passes the smoke that pushes the lever to pull this thing back, like this. Comes here and pushes back. Main reason that this was not mostly adopted because of its main problems, but it has a reputation as one of the lightest semi-automatic rifles, lighter than the M1 American M1 Garand. When the German army invaded Russia, they captured many factories building this thing that led many of the soldiers in the Red Army to use their old classic bolt action rifle Mosin Nagant. And this rifle was mostly made to replace the Mosin Nagant rifle completely for the entire Red Army. But due to many of defectness by the Red Army soldiers, this cannot be considered as a perfect service rifle. But still made in history as the most famous lightweight and semi-automatic rifle. And you don't think that this much I built, but also I brought something else. It's the SVT with a bayonet on front. This bayonet due to its default bolt action, most soldiers also put bayonets on the rifle to attack German soldiers. Few of these rifles were seen in the Moscow offensive, Siege of Leningrad, and the Battle of Stalingrad. And I'm going to open to show you this bayonet. You see, the bayonet is mainly just fused of very small parts. Now, few made out of like this to connect the rifle. Like this. When it's put up to here, it is hooked. That it can easily be removed and it's very strong to put. And also, this was also used by few soldiers as a sniper rifle. And to show it right now to you. Here it is, the SVT-40 with a scope. It is a standard Russian scope used in the Red Army too. And inside, it is very difficult to see, but inside I put in yellow glass at the front and green glass blocks at the back. You see right here, you could see yellow light block right here, and from the back green, and the ends aiming sides and the rear sides are very good. Like this. And if you want to see more Lego vlogs that I make, Lego sets that I make, enjoy to subscribe the video and subscribe in the link below for more videos to see. But most famous creators who make vlogs mostly use computers. This is a multicolored SBT40. If you like this video, so like the same thing to say. Have a nice day.